Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marilyn here. I have for you this layout today that I made with the December limited edition kit by my credit scrapbook. I select the photo from Unsplash and I already made a mat and put a piece of cardboard behind, and this is the paper that I select. I love this paper. I love these diagonal lines and those sparks in the design of the paper have inspired me to make this composition. I cut a square of white paper and I trace this shape. I just fold a square by half and a half and then give the shape that I show you, and then I make the sparks in different size, one big, medium and two smaller, and then I trace these sparks on a cardstock. Then I make stitches. I use my sewing machine. I sew around all these sparkles, only the big ones, and ears. Then I'm going now to play with those sparks to make my composition. I want to use the big one to put behind my photo, and then I'm going to create the design with the difference. I'm just playing here to see what is the way that looks better, and I select this one. As you see, now that I know how I like them, I'm going to start to adhere it. I start with the first that I'm going direct to the paper. I love dimension, as you know, but I want to put them in different level. So this one I use a big cardstock cardboard behind because I want to highlight the photo. And for the medium I use a 3D font tape. And like this one I use 3D font tape, and in that way every spark have different levels and looks so pretty in person. Okay, the photo also have a cardboard. Then I'm going to use the Prima flowers that come in the December limited edition kit, and I'm going to make a flower cluster here. I'm using this Santa snowball. It's so pretty. It comes in the one of the female packaging from the same collection. This collection is from Prima, and I love that it doesn't have the traditional color. It is soft pastel colors and looks so pretty. It is pink, yellow, light blue, soft color. I just love it. Then here I'm using this will be my title, so I am inking this in all the border just to highlight a little more the sentiment, and I want to attach this to the bottom of the photo. I don't want to cover the photo. I want to attach this to the mat here, so it's a little tricky, but it's easy. Okay, and I think that it is not perfect, so I'm going to remove it fast here. Let me line up this well, and it is now looks better. Okay, I not like how it looks. I did not attach the small sparks. I will let that for at the end. Now I'm going to make another flower cluster, but smaller, here in the top of the photo, and I continue playing with the sparks. Now Amy Lou comes here. Oh my gosh, because I have half attached and half without glue. Okay, she's gone. Let me continue. I'm adding more of the female packaging here, playing with the different elements. And now I need something to the bottom corner, and I took one of the cards that comes in the kit from the same collection, and I cut around the Santa, but now I need to trim the card a little because it's too big, so I'm going to eliminate like a little more than a 1/4 inch from the side and from the bottom. Let me move here another one. Let me line this. Okay, it's ready. Let me see how it will look. I want to add a little of dimension here, so I'm using 3D font tape to give dimension to the bottom of Santa, and it is ready. I like these pennants that came in the ephemera packaging, so I want to add this at the bottom of Santa and 2 small sparks. Now I'm going to attach this one that I left to the end. I put 3D foam tape, and I'm going to adhere here at the bottom of the flower cluster. Okay, it is ready now. Now I made a few small flowers. I use a cardstock from my stuff and roll a tiny flower here just to add the yellow color in the big flower cluster, and 2 tiny pink flowers to add it at the top of the small flower cluster. In that way, I make the balance with the colors. Okay, it's time to adhere here the Santa, and I'm going to attach now here at the bottom corner. Then I'm going to add the pennants. And the sparks. Okay, it is ready. Oh, look who jumped again. This is Amy. Amy needs attention. Oh my gosh. How I can move this girl now? Let me see. Okay, she wants me to pet her. Okay, sorry guys, let me give her love. Oh my gosh, she thinks this is his bed. Okay, I am trying to keep let me find a toy or something that catches her attention. I am moving here now with a yarn. Okay, I got it. Yes, she's gone. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to go fast now because I need to adhere all these things to my page. I add in here a bow that I made with a white jute, and I also add another one to the big flower cluster near the photo. And I attach in here the small flowers that I made, 1 yellow and 1 pink, to make the balance between the 3 flower cluster here. And this is it. Now let me attach this behind the Santa snowball, and it is ready. Okay, let's add some texture here with some pearls, and I'm going to add a few of them here and there and adhere with the hot glue. Okay, I think it is okay. Let's move now to add some sequins, and I add in this one that has this sparkling effect on the background that goes perfect with my page, and I'm adding here and there. I'm not going to show you the all the process because I don't want to make this video too long, but basically this is the idea, to add here and there. Let's move. Let me take out this. Okay, now I want to give white paint splatter. I covered my photo, and I am trying to keep the paint splatter small, so I use a small paintbrush with a fine tip to give the small paint splatter. And this is a mix of white acrylic paint with water, and I'm going to use this once I add all this paint splatter. I want to smooth a little the flowers, so I'm going to add the paint over the flowers too. At the beginning I was thinking to add the white just to simulate snow, but at the same time it brings the illusion of snow and give me the shabby chic look to the page. And adding here and there. And I like how it looks now. Okay, and I think it will be my last step, but then after I saw the page, I think that I need something else, and I look for my liquid pearls, and I'm going to add some well, a lot of these drops here and there. I love the fact that it brings, instead of adhere small pearls, I am using the liquid pearl, and it is perfect. And I'm adding over the flowers, and then in the different layers to enhance all this work. Everything looks so soft right now. Look, with the white liquid pearl, and I just love it. Which are your favorite colors for Christmas, especially for layout? The traditional or not traditional? Let me know in a comment down below. I don't know why. I love both, but look, this is done and I love it. It looks so soft. Okay, at the end I decided to add this sparkly, or well, these are tiny stars that comes in the female packaging. It has a little of gold, and I think it looks lovely on the background. I was refused, or I don't like to add gold for this layout, but at the end I think it looks so pretty. Well, you will see at the end, and let me know what do you think, because I was planning to let it only in white and pink, but at the end I decided to use the gold star. And this is the final result, guys. Look how it looks. Let me show you the dimension. It's not had too much dimension, but it has a little. And let me, okay, you can see here. Let me know if you like it with a thumbs up. I'm going to let you down below in the description box the link to my creative scrapbook, so you can go and check the kit and also the design gallery to see what the girls made. They made awesome, gorgeous pages with this collection. And as always, I hope that you enjoy the video tutorial, and I'll let you hear 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. And I see you soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos. Bye bye.